Hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we already studied many concepts of mathematics in the previous class. If we do a small recap, we understood the meaning of NCR, which is nothing but given n objects, number of ways to select R objects from them, which is nothing but NCR. And the formula is nothing but n factorial upon r n minus r factorial divided by r factorial. Okay, you guys understand that. But guys, in competitive programming and online assessments of FANG level companies, they never directly ask you NCR. They ask you NCR modulo a big prime number. The reason is that the values, the final answer should not overflow. Integer overflow should not happen. So for that we use, some modulo mathematics while calculating and pre-calculating the factorial, and we use a Fermat or Lucas theorem to calculate NCR mod D. Let's assume all that is now done. Okay, let's assume all that is now done. So now we can, do this Google OA problem actually. Google OA. Okay, let me write here Google. Am I getting okay? Okay, no problem. Anyways, so guys, I posted this problem on LinkedIn also. They are saying that you are given a string of lowercase English letters. Your task is to find the number of good subsequences that can be created from the given string. Each good subsequence must have each element in the subsequence occurring equal number of times. So guys, given a string, find the number of subsequence. Right? Yes, in the chat if you understand the meaning of subsequence. Find the number of subsequences such that each subsequence is good. Good subsequence means all characters in it come for equal number of times. So guys, let me take you through a roller coaster. AAB. Can you guys tell me all the subsequences possible? For a string of size 3, how many subsequences are there? It has been taught to you in your mathematics classes. I know that, Tell me, 2 raised to 3. Only Gaurav and Asmit know the answer in the whole meeting. Others, what they are doing? Are you Honey Singh? No, right? So return 2 raised to 3. Yeah. So guys, do I need to explain you that for n length string there are 2 raised to n subsets? What are those subsets? A again, second B, then this A and this A, then this A and this B, AB. Then again guys, AB will come because one time you took this A and this B, now this A and this B. So these are all the subsets. Now AAB. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. Guys, can anyone tell me what is the 8th subset? 8th subset, can you tell me? Empty subset. Empty. Khali. So guys, there are always for a string of length n, there are 2 raised to n minus 1 non-empty subsequences. Okay, so let me write that. For a string of length n, there are 2 raised to n minus 1 non-empty subsequences. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree with my observation. We can iterate through all these subsequences and find out how many are good. Right? Yes, in the chat if you agree that this is a basic brute force solution, क्या करोगे? सारे subsequence generate कर दो. Generate all subsequence and check which is good. Guys, tell me, is the first subsequence good? Right? Yes or no in the chat. Is the first subsequence good? Yes or no in the chat? Yes, A is good because it is coming only single number of time. This good. This good. Guys, is 2A correct? Is 2A correct? There is only one type of character, A, which is coming for two times. Yes, it is also correct. You have to check only when there are different character. Here A is also coming one time, B is also coming one time. The question is saying that whichever characters are coming now, their frequency should be same. So A भी एक बार आ रहा है, B भी एक बार आ रहा है. Correct. Correct. Guys, is A B good or not? A is coming two time, B is coming one time. Not allowed. The question is saying that each character in your good subsequence should come equal number of time. ये तो गलत हो गया भाई. ये क्या कर दिया आपने? ये आपने क्या कर दिया? क्या हो गया? आपने गलती ये की that the mistake that you made is that the frequency of all characters should be same. This is not same. This is not valid. So there are only six valid subsequences. So guys, for A, B, for A, B, for A, B, the answer is 6. Good, clear. Now, so guys, you understood those basic things, okay? So so this will guys will take O of 2 raised to n into n time complexity. So now let's think about something else, okay? Clear? Guys, tell me now the answer for ABCD. What will be the answer for ABCD? All the subsequences will be good. अरे कोई भी select कर लो. All character will come one time only ना. So there will be 2 raised to 4 minus 1. 15 will be the answer. Okay. So guys, now I will give you different subsequences. Write yes in the chat if you're ready to instantly tell me if the subsequence is good or not. दूंगा आपको good या not good लिखना है. Clear? So Ashmit, is this good? Everyone tell me, क्या ये अच्छा है कि गंदा है? सच बोलिए, झूठ नहीं, झूठ नहीं. Yes, it is good. So you guys now understand that whatever characters are there, all should come for same number of time. How many number of times they are coming, that does not matter. The frequency of all of them should be same. Is this a good subsequence? Is this good? No. The frequency should be same, but they are coming for different number of times. Not good, not good. Even if C was coming two time, na, then also it would be not good. Because this is 2, this is 3, and this is 2, but all should be same. Even one guy's frequency should not be different. Okay. So guys, when I saw this question, something clicked in my mind. Guys, can you tell me, can we separate the type of sequences? These are the type of sequences which organically came in my mind. Are they coming in your mind also? टाइप वन सीक्वेंस कौन से होंगे, आप ही सोचो और मुझे बताओ. Organically it should come in your mind. In all the good sequences, what are the type 1 sequences where every character is coming for one time? Each character comes for one time, exactly one time. So type of good subsequences, guys, what are the type of good subsequences? Type 1. Type 1 good subsequences means where each character comes exactly one time in the subsequence. For example, guys, what are the type 1 good sequences? You just take a, right? First A, then second A, then second B. All characters are coming for one time only. Then you can take their combinations also. Like these are lovely, lovely people. A and B, A and B. Then this AB, this AB. Everyone write 4 4 4 in the chat if they agree that there are four T1 type 1 sequences. Yes, Rohit Chakraborty. So, guys, if you take the string, if your string is AABB, the T1 are T1 is A comma A comma B comma B comma A B A B A B A B, which is 8. Guys, what will be type 2 sequences? Can anyone tell me the definition in the chat? I'm waiting for you people. What will be the... Yes, recount हमने किए ना भाई. ये एक ए अलग है और ये ए अलग है. ध्यान रखना. Because when you are choosing a subset, all are different subsequence of a string written in the question. इसलिए तो ये अलग से लिखा है, ये अलग से लिखा है. ये अलग वाला ए है, ये अलग वाला ए, ये अलग अलग बी है. There are four possibilities, by the way. Sorry, 4 plus 4, 8. So T1, there are 8 possibilities. जब मैं यहाँ पर ए लिखता हूं ना तो दिमाग में इसको A1 समझो, इसको A2 समझो. दोनों को अलग अलग समझना है. Guys, is it clear to you? Do you understand, guys, that when in the sequence these A's are written, you consider is this A1, A2, A3. Consider these as different guys and then start pairing them with others. Clear? Clear? Okay. So whoever is in the meeting, they are going to get lots of benefit now. So type 1 subsequences are clear. Guys, what will be type 2 subsequences? Write the definition in the chat. Type 2 good subsequences will be what? Where each character is coming 2 times. Purvansh is such an intelligent student. He's in the program since 10 months now. He was a beginner, now he has improved a lot. Where each character comes exactly 2 times in the subsequence. Guys, tell me if it is A, B, B, which are the T2 type good subsequences? Each character should come 2 times. So A is good because there is only one character coming 2 times. BB किसको पसंद नहीं है? So AABB. But guys, there is one more which you forgot. You forgot it. आप भूल गए उसको. AABB. Here also everyone is coming 2 times and it is very 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, yes. See, the style of teaching and the understanding of Kumar K student is always brilliant level. Always super brilliant. That's why we have so many selection. Now, focus, focus. Guys, ऐसे ही करेंगे. T3 निकालेंगे. Where all are coming 3 times. Then T4. Then अरे जितना है निकाल लो भाई Tn तक. Where all characters are coming n times. Chances of happening this is very less. Until your whole string is consisting of same characters, na? It is not possible to have a Tn. So guys, yes, KK student can never get depressed, obviously. So guys, please tell me in the chat, what will be the meaning of Tn? Let's say this is the string. What is the meaning of Tn? Means n equal to 5 means only those sequences where all the characters are coming 5 times. There is only one option, na? So guys, Tn will always be either 1 or it will be 0. इसमें से अगर एक भी कैरेक्टर अलग होता तो how will you get a subsequence where every character is coming 5 times when the whole string is having no character coming 5 times. So guys, everyone write Tn can be 0 or 1. Everyone write in the chat if they agree कि अगर पूरे स्ट्रिंग का लेंथ ही n है, Tn का मतलब क्या हुआ? Tn का मतलब सिलेक्ट अ सबसेट हु इज हैविंग n कैरेक्टर सेम. सो भाई पूरी स्ट्रिंग ही उठानी पड़ेगी. पूरी स्ट्रिंग में सब सेम नहीं तो आंसर 0 आ जाएगा बिकॉज देयर इज नो सबसीक्वेंस गुड. बट इफ ऑल आर सेम देन Tn इक्वल टू 1. So guys, what will be the final answer? Life is so interesting. Oh my god. T1 plus T2 plus, अरे ये सारे ही गुड है ना. So add all the good types and there is no intersection. They are individual. Whatever subsequences having only one frequency, that can never match with the subsequences having two frequency because definition is different. So T1 plus T2 plus T3. So guys, we have solved the question. Can anyone tell me what is the only thing now left in the question? The question will give you a string. You will calculate T1 plus T2 till Tn. बस एक चीज रह गई है. कोई बता सकता है क्या रह गया? सर ने सब बता दिया, बस एक चीज नहीं बताया. How the heck to calculate T of I? And to calculate T of I, you need deep maths and combinatorics knowledge. Clear? So guys, do you now understand that given any string S, what is the solution? Can anyone tell me? Simple. Run a for loop and do T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn. But how to calculate T1? Guys. Do you know? Again, Kumar Kesar used the same logic which we should have been using. अब Ti डायरेक्ट निकालने तो आ नहीं रहा, तो सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए? You have to calculate this expression. You don't know how to calculate the general formula for T of I. So guys, I have taught this to you in dynamic programming also. What should you do if you are not able to make the DP formula or you are not able to calculate, let's say, T of I? What should you do? याद करो, स्मॉल वैल्यूज क्या बोला था मैंने? अगर नहीं आ रहा तो सबसे पहले T1 पे फोकस करो बिकॉज कैलकुलेटिंग T1 मस्ट बी इजी. By calculating it, you will get some insights. That insights will help you calculate T2. Then you will be able to form Ti. Always remember, जब नहीं आता चुपचाप n equal to 1 पे फोकस कीजिए, बाकी सब भाड़ में जाए. Clear to you? Clear? I have taught this zillion number of times in DP course also. And I am teaching you again. जब भी कुछ नहीं आता चुपचाप सबको भूल के T1 1 पे फोकस करो, 1 पे. So guys, T1. Guys, you have to calculate T1. Everyone write ready in the chat if they're ready with me to find the formula for T1. तैयार? आप तैयार? So lovely people, listen to me. First character is coming how many times? So I will write A coming 2 times, B coming 2 times. Everyone write agreed in the chat. If they agree कि भाई जो भैया बोल रहे हैं सही बोल रहे हैं, कोई गलत बात नहीं है इसमें. So let's say this is coming X time, this is coming Y time. Right? Yes. Yup in the chat if you agree with me. So guys, आप चाहते क्या हो इस जिंदगी में? आप क्या चाहते हो? You want the sequences which have only one occurrence ना, तो कैसे दिखेंगे? ऐसे दिखेंगे ना, A B B. Good. सही कर रहे हो. Everyone react with emoji if they agree that till now our deduction is all simple. कि भाई 4 तो ऐसे ही निकल जाएंगे. Whatever is the length of the string को सिंगल करके लिख लो. हो गया सही, हो गया डन. This is taking X space, this is taking Y space. So can I say that T1 will be X plus Y plus something? Right? Yes in the chat if you agree that at least this much formula is correct. T1 will always be X, all the A characters, all the B characters plus something. That something I don't know, but I will find it out. Don't you worry. Yes Karthikeya, yes Aman, genius mathematicians. Now listen to me. मैं आपको ये इस तरीके से बताऊंगा जिसको किसने आपको आज तक जिंदगी में बताया नहीं होगा. आपके जेई के मैथ्स टीचर ने भी नहीं बताया होगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कुमार के. सो नाउ लिसन टू मी. Is this clear to you that if this is coming x times and this is coming y times, the answer is nothing but x plus y plus something, and forget something, x plus y is always there. Right? Yes in the chat if everyone agrees. कि भाई अगर कोई भी स्ट्रिंग का T1 निकालना है तो चुपचाप a कितनी बार आ रहा है, b कितनी बार आ रहा है, x प्लस वाई लिखो और बाकी का कुछ होगा उसको भूल जाओ. अब बाकी का क्या होगा, लेट्स थिंक अबाउट दैट. So guys, do you agree that this A will make a bonding with this B and it will make AB as a valid string? This A will also make a bonding with this B. So bonding तो बन रही है यार, कुछ तो है बात, बॉन्डिंग तो बन रही है. So guys, this A will bond with this A will bond with both the B's, and this A will also bond with both the B's. So guys, x into y, you agree with me or not? 2 into 2 4, x into y agree करते हो? चलो किसकी तो जोड़ी बनी. So guys, what is the formula for T1? Simple, you now know. You now really know that if two character, let's say the string is having only two numbers, okay? This is coming x time, this is coming y time. So what is the formula? X plus y plus x into y. Okay, okay, G, okay. X plus y into x plus 1. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree with the formula I am showing to them till now. Guys, the formula is what? X plus y into x plus 1. Can I do plus 1 minus 1 on both the sides? I write a minus 1 here and plus 1 here. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree that plus 1 minus 1 will not affect the answer. जानते हो प्लस वन माइनस वन क्यों लिखा है? नाउ यू कैन टेक एक्स प्लस वन ऑल्सो कॉमन. अब क्या हो जाएगा? एक्स प्लस वन, वन प्लस वाई. Oh, such a beautiful equation. I can see that answer is nothing but this frequency plus one multiplied by this frequency plus one minus one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I now know that the solution is for T1. The lovely formula is x plus 1, where x is the frequency of A, y is the frequency of B. ऐसे करके जो भी होंगे यार सबको डाल दो. Minus 1. This is the brilliancy of this problem, is that if this is coming x time, yeah, there can be more characters, but you have solved for 2, right? Now you can do for 3 also. भाई साहब, yeah. Right, yeah, right, brilliant in the chat if this much is clear to you. अब मैं आपको एक खास बात बताता हूँ. ए हो गया, बी हो गया. ये भैया एक्स बार आ रहा है, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ सर, आने दो. ये वाई बार आ रहा है, हाँ आने दो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आने दो. You know that the total answer will be x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 minus 1. तो ये लोग दिखेंगे कैसे शक्ल में, देखना चाहते हो? ये ऐसे दिखेंगे ना, एक ए होगा, एक बी होगा, एक बी होगा और दूसरा क्या होगा? There will be a C, sorry, there will be a AB, 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 AB. The nice thing is that all of them are valid. 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 तो अगर मैं इसके पीछे एक सी भी लगा दूं तो आंसर में कितना एक्स्ट्रा एडिशन होगा? एक भाई साहब ये सी आ जाएंगे, सिर्फ एक ही सी है, ठीक है? एक ये भाई साहब सी आ जाएंगे, ठीक है? हाँ, इसको आने दो, खुश होने दो इसको. ये हमारा ऑलरेडी वैल्यू 9 आ रही थी, राइट? 2 प्लस 1 3 इंटू 3 9 माइनस 1 8. ओके, अगर मैं सी डाल दूं तो एक ये भाई साहब आ जाएंगे और क्या होगा? एंड दिस सी विल जॉइन ऑल अदर्स. यार ये इन सबको जुड़ जाएगा बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी गुड. मतलब जो भी ये क्वांटिटी है, whatever is this quantity, you just need to multiply it with the frequency of c, which is 1. So let's say c plus 1 minus 1 and the answer is done. So अगर इधर c है तो ये 2 plus 1 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 2. So it is 3 into 3 9 into 2 18. 18 minus 1 17. Guys 17 कैसा है आपको दिख रहा है? I am able to show it visually. That's why the question has become brilliant for you. Guys. चलो इसके पहले कुछ अलग चीज करते हैं. Does everyone agree that the answer for this is 8? Tell me in the chat. Does everyone agree that the answer for this is 8? अभी तो समझ आ रहा है ना स्मिथ? पहले यस लिखो चैट में. क्या does everyone understand the answer for this is 8? Now what do we want? We want to know ना what will happen if we add an extra character, right? Yes or no in the chat. यही करना चाहते हो ना? 2 कैरेक्टर का निकाल 3 कैरेक्टर का ट्राई करोगे ना? कॉमन सेंस. So if you add one character, what is happening to the formula? क्या हो रहा है? ये भाई साहब एक जगह एक्स्ट्रा आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, आने दो. These will remain as it is. ये 8 के 8 ऐसे ही रहेंगे. इनको रहने दीजिए. इनको आप डिस्टर्ब मत कीजिए. ठीक है. But this C will again go and bond with these 8 guys. Got my point? तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये 8 ऐसे के ऐसे. C bonded again with 8 guys, so 8 more subsequences. और एक ये C खुद, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 8 plus 8 16 और 1 17. This is nothing but x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 multiplied by C plus 1 minus 1, which is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1 18 minus 1 17. Formula is done and dusted. The formula is, after all these observation, is that you multiply all the frequencies plus 1 and finally you do a minus 1. So it is frequency of A plus 1. This you can do in O of 26 now. Frequency of all characters you can calculate in the string. इतनी कोडिंग आती होगी. इतना तो मैंने पढ़ाया ही होगा, I hopefully. एंड गाइस प्लस 1 क्यों लिखना है? अगर कोई 0 बार भी आ रहा है, 0 प्लस 1 1 होगा, तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई में फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. Right, brilliant, awesome and everything. If you have learnt a lot here now. The best explanation which I ever seen in DSA. Thank you. Now, focus back. So these things are done to you, but guys, these things are not enough by the way. You need to do some more things. Okay. So, क्या हमने निकाल लिया? कोई बता सकता है चैट में? T1 निकाल लिया. Guys, can anyone tell me the formula of T1? Frequency of A plus 1. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree कि they will be able to calculate this in just 26 moves. अरे 26 में कर लोगे. एफए पता है भाई, कैश मैप में डाल देना, सबका फ्रीक्वेंसी पता होगा. So guys, if T1 is done, do we need to do something else? Tell me in the chat. T1 निकालने का क्या जिंदगी खत्म हो गई कि और भी कुछ काम करना है? T2. Oh, so much pain in my life, so much pain. The thing is that AABB T2 निकालना चाहते हैं. So guys, when you were calculating T1, can anyone tell me what was the starting process of calculating T1? Everyone write separating characters. I was separating each single character like this. A, B, B. I called them as X, I called them as Y, and I then did the formula. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree that whatever T you have to calculate, first if you are calculating one, single out all the single characters. If you are calculating T2, separate all the two characters. Clear? So guys, T2 calculate कर रहे हैं तो मैं क्या लिखूंगा जरा बताना चैट में. Which are the fully free characters without any bondage? A, B, B. यही दोनों है ना? Yes or no guys? Yes or no? Well, this is your X here. X equal to 1 here. This is your Y here. Formula is again same. अब इसको आप you consider this as a single character. Consider this as a single character. And the formula will again be X plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 minus 1. Matlab only three ways will be possible. One way is this, two way is this, and third way will be their joining. So guys, can you see what is the, कोई मुझे basic observation बता सकता है? The formula is same for everyone, but what do you need to do in the start? Can anyone tell me in the chat, guys? Ashmit, you also. जब T2 लिखा है तो you need to find x, y, all these considering two characters at a time. उसके बाद assume this as a single guy and again apply the same formula, because the nice thing is that when they bond, all will be coming for exactly two times only. कितना brilliant है ये चीज. या अश्मित, तुम चैट में लिखो, क्या तुमको ये बात पता चल रही है कि सबका फॉर्मूला वही है, x प्लस वन इंटू वाई प्लस वन टिल दी एंड. बट तुम्हारा सिंगल कैरेक्टर क्या है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. T1 में क्या था, कुछ नहीं करना था, एक एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर को लिख देते थे, बट यहां पर ये दोनों को सिंगल समझ के लिखना है, तो x की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, 2 नहीं. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? इज इट क्लियर टू यू अश्मित? सो गाइज, अब मैं आपको डराने की कोशिश करूंगा. पहले ही बताओ इसका आंसर कितना था. व्हाट इज T2 फॉर दिस? कैन एनीवन टेल मी इन द चैट? फास्ट गाइस, टाइम नहीं, जल्दी लिखो. 3. अब मजा आएगा, अब बहुत मजा आएगा. राइट, रेडी इन द चैट. दिस विल फाइनली क्लियर अप योर ब्रेन. Everyone write agreed or yes in the chat if they agree that all they have to do is calculate x, calculate y. Once they know x and y, answer is x plus 1 into y plus 1 minus 1. Similarly, for all the character frequency, multiply then minus 1. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree with this. X का meaning है singular characters which you can get which are satisfying the given requirement which is 2. तो guys, दो दो लिखना इसमें तो बहुत इजी है. ये ए को इधर ला दो, बी को इधर ला दो, अब बना दो इनके जितने भी जोड़े, 3 ही बनेंगे. बट ट्रिपल ए ट्रिपल बी, ओ हो, अब मजा आएगा. अब बताइए. नाउ टेल मी विच टू एज आर देयर विच यू कैन राइट एज सिंगुलरली नॉट मैचिंग एनीवन. One is these two A, then these two A, then these two A. There are three possibilities. Ha ha ha. Three possibilities are there. Don't get fooled. For B also three. Basically, this is nothing but selecting two character from 3 number 3C2. I taught you this in the start of the maths class. 3 factorial by 2 factorial by 1 factorial 3. एक झटके में पता चल गया ये 3 होना चाहिए, 3 होना चाहिए. Oh my god, the brilliancy has come. We don't have to do much. 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 All we have to do is that find the number of ways to select two characters from this given frequency, which is what? Frequency of A, C2. Frequency of B, C2. Done. खत्म guys, हो गया, solve हो गया, done. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over at this point. Yeah. Good. So Ashmit, you only use your brain and tell me. Only Ashmit will tell me, okay? Ashmit, tell me, if you want to calculate x, what are the singular characters possible such that they are coming exactly 2 times? Only for A, forget B. Tell me, who are they? Only Ashwin. Gautam, for that you can watch the recording. 3 A हैं, ठीक है. 3 A हैं. और B के साथ कितने होंगे अश्मित? B के साथ कितने होंगे? Ashmit, can I assume that all these are following the T2 rule? Can I assume that all these are following the T2 rule, Ashmit? Can I assume that? Right, yes in the chat. Can I assume that, Ashmit? नहीं, एक character मान ले भूलो. Do you agree that they are following T2 rule, that each character is coming 2 times in them? Do you agree with that? Write in the chat fast. Okay. All are following. But let's replace this AA by A1. This by A2. This by A3. This by B1, this by B2, this by B3. Now Ashmit, if you try to make bonding between A1, A2, B1, B2, B3, अगर तुम इनमें मिलावट करोगे तो ये भी तो T2 फॉलो करेंगे ना, yes or no? Because A1, A2, A3 is also having all of them inside coming two times. Now if you mix A2 with B2, they all are having every character coming two times. So it is essentially the same formula. Is that clear to everyone? So guys, what will be the formula? Can anyone now tell me in the chat? For T2, the formula is again the same, by the way. It is x plus 1 into y plus 1 minus 1. What is the value of x? Frequency of A, C2, 3C2. Frequency of B, C2. This you can calculate in O of log n time or O of 1 time using Fermat-Lucas theorem. I taught you in the start only. Okay? Clear to you people? Yes, yes, yes. Frequency of A, C, I, yeah. सी को भूल जाओ. ये क्या बोला, फॉर्मूला से सी वाले पर कैसे पहुंचे सर? अगेन टेल मी, Ashmit only. How many possibilities are there for x and y? Please tell me, Ashmit, in the chat. Ashmit will only tell because others have understood. It's now only Ashmit's job to write. तो अश्मित, तुमको कैसे पता चला कि इसमें तीन ही आने चाहिए? क्या आप भगवान हो कि आपने कुछ चेक किया था? बताइए. How do you know that if you take two characters from 3A, the answer will be 3? How do you know that? तो उस when you try to calculate all the pairs from length, उसको फॉर्मूला को क्या बोलते हैं अश्मित? क्या बोलते हैं उस फॉर्मूला को? कि n में से दो दो का पैर निकाल रहे हो, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? याद आया अब? राइट इन द चैट. व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? NC2. यहां पर n क्या है अश्मित? यहां पर n क्या है अश्मित? यहां पर n है a की फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो n कितना आएगा? लिखो 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 चैट में, लिखो जल्दी. व्हाट इज n? राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ n. 3C2. 3C2 is the number of ways of selecting 2A's from the 3A, which is 3 factorial by 2 factorial by 1 factorial, which is 3. तब जाके ये 3 लिखा है. समझे आप? Is that now clear to you, Ashmit? You should not ask it again now. So, guys, what is the answer for this one? Let me write here. I will write it as x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 and this till the, let's say till the end, z plus 1. Okay, where what is the value of x? X is nothing but frequency of A, C2, and y is what? Frequency of B, C2. And similarly guys, let's say z is equal to, you can use anything, by the way, frequency, any variable you can use, of z, C2. Guys, everyone write brilliant and CLR in the chat if now everything is clear to them. अश्मित, तुमको सिर्फ मैथ्स का कोर्स करना है. कोई पेट से पैदा होकर किसको सब कुछ नहीं आता है. सब यहाँ पर आते हैं धरती पे, फिर बैठ के पढ़ाई करते हैं. अगर आप यूट्यूब पे और लिंक्डइन पे टाइम पास करना बंद कर दोगे और इंस्टा पर, और चुपचाप पूरा दिन बैठ के सिर्फ मेरा ही कोर्स करोगे, तो आपको 10 दिन में ही वो सब डेवलप हो जाएगा. सिंपल. इवन मैं भी अगर खुद का कोर्स खुद ही कर लूँ तो मेरा भी इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाएगा. दैट्स हाउ ब्रिलियंट माई कोर्स इज. नाउ गोइंग बैक. सो नाउ, नो आई एम नॉट लाइंग. पढ़ा मैंने बहुत कुछ दिया, बट याद मुझे भी थोड़ी ना रहता है, पढ़ना पड़ता है. सो नाउ, because like for example, I can tell you one thing. For example, in the lead code contest now, like 15 contest back, fourth problem was exactly same as OA problem I solved 5 months back, and it was in my course. In that contest I got 500 rank, but my students were having 100 rank, 200 rank. बिकॉज दे हैड बेटर मेमोरी रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी, उनको एक झटके में याद आ गया कि अरे ये तो कोर्स के अंदर अभी भी किया है, उन्होंने जाके डायरेक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट। मुझे याद नहीं था कि मेरे कोर्स में, तो मैंने खुद से किया, तो मैं थोड़ा पीछे हो गया। तो इससे आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि भाई आप खुद का भी कोर्स खुद भी करेंगे तो भी आपका इंप्रूवमेंट हो जाएगा। ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हाँ, yes, Abhijit, you need to improve. So guys, this thing is also clear, that thing is also clear. Now I will not tell you, हाँ, अभी खुद ही दिमाग लगा के बताओ T3 क्या होगा। Guys, you will tell now, अभी चुप, अभी कैलकुलेट मत करना चोमू जैसे, like you are very smart, good, but tell me, use your own brain। उसमें FC2 था, तो इसमें FC x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 multiplied by z plus 1 all plus 1, then finally minus 1, right? I hope I have written the minus 1 there also. If I have not written, then that's a mistake. Let me write here. So guys, what will be x? Frequency of A, C2 nahi C3, because now you have to select 3 numbers from the given A at a time. I hope अश्मित को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है। Yeah. Guys, do I now need to tell you the formula of T4? Tell me yes or no. क्या मुझे बताने की जरूरत है? अश्मित, क्या do I need to tell you this? Okay. So guys, what is the general formula of Ti? FACI plus 1 multiplied by FBCI plus 1 FZCI plus 1 minus 1. Okay, done. But आप एक बात बताओ इंटरेस्टिंग, जो T1 में तुम क्या लिख रहे थे, FA plus 1 multiplied by FB plus 1 minus 1, ये भी करेक्ट था। वाई? If you replace it by FAC1, FAC1 is nothing but FA only. If FA numbers are given and you have to select one only at a time, FA तरीके ही हुए ना। This formula is actually valid. So brilliant. Clear to everyone. या सर, C को रिमूव करना है। कहाँ रिमूव करना है? कुछ रिमूव नहीं करना है। Now the problem has been solved, guys. Okay. So guys, tell me what will be the time complexity for calculating T1? T1 calculate करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? Use your brain and tell me. T1 कैलकुलेट करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ओनली 26 कैरेक्टर्स। अरे ये A+1, ये B+1, भाई मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 26 का लूप चल 26 में नहीं हो जाएगा? यस और नो? सो इफ T1 is taking 26 ऑपरेशन, T2 26, T3 26, तो टोटल n into 26। ओ माय गुडनेस, डन, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व, दैट्स इट। वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि ये जो NCR है ना, mod D, we are assuming कि भाई we are getting it close to O of 1 or O of log n. If you consider time complexity of this also ना, तो इसको generally O of log n time लगता है, याद रखना, in Fermat and Lucas theorem. So you can attach one log n for the modulo 1, but still it will pass. Okay, clear? Now these things are clear to you and everything is clear. Now guys, someone was saying it's only about thinking and logic. Yes, Amon Targaryen. By the way, whenever I read Targaryen, I remind my Amazon team. When I joined as a fresher, the team name was UPI Targaryens. Now, very hard projects were there. Gizmo throttling, I still remember. It took me 2 months to do that alone. Anyways, now guys, listen to me very carefully. No help was there. So, guys, I want to तगड़ा लॉजिक। यस, इट लॉजिक की बात नहीं है, ये क्वेश्चन से बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट क्लियर होते हैं जो बच्चों को आता नहीं होता। ये एक की वजह से लोग 100 और क्वेश्चन कर पाएंगे। इज दैट क्लियर टू यू, ऑल ऑफ यू? क्लियर? नाउ लिसन टू मी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली। समवन वाज आस्किंग दैट सर ये how it is getting extended, how is the formula getting extended? So guys, if T1 calculate करना है Gaurav, if T1 you have to calculate Gaurav, what is the formula Gaurav? This is the frequency of x, the frequency of y. So x is 2, y is 2. So answer is x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 minus 1. What is that, Gaurav? 2 plus 1, 3 into 3, 9 minus 1, 8. Gaurav, do you agree that the answer for this is 8? Gaurav, do I need to prove you for 2 characters? Gaurav Lodi, या 2 कैरेक्टर का समझ आ गया? बताइए, 2 कैरेक्टर का समझ आ गया ना? तो 3 पे ओके, तो गौरव यादव इज वेरी ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट, उनको समझाने की जरूरत नहीं, उनको सब कब से पता है. गौरव लोधी न्यू स्टूडेंट, so need to teach him. So now going back to the session. So now guys, if you again start focusing here, focus fully, yeah. गौरव लोधी, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? गौरव लोधी फिर से यस लिखे 10 बार. ओके. So now guys, Gaurav, which were those 8 sequences? Do you agree with me, Gaurav, that these were the 8 sequences? A, B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Gaurav Lodi, do you agree with me that these were the 8 sequences? So Gaurav, when C is coming in the picture, how many sequences are getting added to this? Let's calculate that. 8 तो already है. Gaurav, do you agree that 1 will be added to the answer? Do you agree, Gaurav? Because C खुद भी तो एक sequence है ना. गौरव, डू यू अग्री दैट 8 विल आल्सो बी एडेड टू द आंसर जो ओरिजिनल था? इनमें इनमें सी के बिना भी तो ये 8 तो होते हैं ना. डू यू अग्री गौरव दैट 8 विल आल्सो बी एडेड टू द आंसर? नाउ गौरव, डू यू अग्री दैट दिस सी can smartly be joined with all the previous 8 sequences? AC, AC, BC, BC, ABC, 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 ABC. Right? Yes, Gaurav, if you agree that this C can join them also. So it will again give you 8 ना. So total कितना हो गया गौरव जी? बताइए. 8 plus 8, 16, 17. Yes or no, Gaurav? So in this formula, it is 3 multiplied by 3. If you multiply it with the frequency of C plus 1, then it will give the answer as 17. C is 1 time. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18. Minus 1, 17. Now, Gaurav, is it clear that doing mathematics and observation, it gives the same formula? जब तुम एक नंबर को उसके प्लस वन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हो ना, तो वो डबल बार ऐड हो जाता है, और माइनस वन वो एक को निकाल देता है. ये है. और ऐसा तुम और 4 कैरेक्टर क्लिक कर लो, तुमको दिख जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू, गौरव? नाउ ओके. वो वाला केस वेर वी टुक ए, नो ए एंड बी, वी कैन नहीं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐड नहीं हो रहा है. जस्ट रिलैक्स अर्शदीप. ओके, यू जस्ट फॉलो माई फॉर्मूला अर्शदीप. वो x प्लस वन देख के ये मत सोचो कि उसका मतलब कुछ वो है. उसका मतलब है वो फॉर्मूला से लाया है. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम x प्लस वन ये ले रहे हो. ठीक है. एनीवेज, so hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Good night. Love you all. Good night.